packing because I'm going to the UK to test a real race car on track, and depending on how well I do, I will get to race it. So let's go. It's a special video today. I'm at Oulton Park again, and today I'm gonna be testing a race car, and that is maybe my first step into getting into racing. I don't really know. We'll see. The car I'm gonna be testing is a BMW 1 Series. Nothing too crazy, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. That's the parking. You can see there's already some interesting cars. GTR. I don't think it's a GTR, but you know, interesting stuff. Anyway, I have to wait for the people that have the race car to come. Not there yet. Oh, that's interesting. That's a Radical. Yeah, that's not what I'm driving. So I don't know if you can hear me. I'm in the suit now, as you can see. The drip. I even have the shoes, sparkle shoes, everything. The camera is kind of crap, but you know, this is the car that I'm driving. As you can see, it's a real beast. BMW 116i. I mean, it's really fun to drive. I got the beginner because I'm a beginner, of course, you know, still. Anyway, I've already done a few sessions. Sorry, I didn't film anything. But yeah, it's a good day out there, and the car is easier to drive than my MX-5 ever was, because obviously it's on semi-slick, something I never put on my car. And you see the camber is very aggressive. The car is caged, but it weighs about the same as my NC. So it's very similar, it just has 20 horsepower less. Also, that's a DB killer. I guess it works, I don't know. But anyway, cool car. Yeah, let's go for another session. All right, guys, this was crazy. So my first session was not too bad in the end. We're going for a second one. I'm gonna try to improve on the things that I did wrong before, which is the turn in some of the corners, and also the gearing a little bit. But otherwise, the guy said it was fine. And apparently I'm good enough to race this car by the end of today, so we'll see. I don't know. Alright, so we're coming in with other cars, I think. On the cool down lap, maybe? I don't know. Alright. So this one I did well before. Woo! I love how you feel the G's so much in this car. It's so fun. So at first we're just gonna be braking a little bit here to be safe. Cold tires, you know. I'm braking a bit too early, that's what's happening also. Can throttle way sooner out. I did that. Gonna try braking a bit later here as well. Okay. Woo. Go car, go, go, go. Stuck behind this guy again. Oh my god, he's so slow. Finally, fucking hell. I hope this M3 gets out of the way. Oh shit, he's there. I can't pass you, man. I don't have the power. I'm flooring it. I'm flooring it. Alright, well, red flag, too bad for my best lap, huh? I thought it was gonna be the one. I don't even know, because it's not timed, so I don't know which one is the best. But I had hopes this one was gonna be. What matters is the lesson you take from the laps, I guess. Well, end of another session. My god, it is hot in these cars. Like, that's one thing they don't tell you about race cars, is that they're so hot inside. You're dying every lap. But you know, I think I improved my lap times, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. The car is getting refueled, so the box is empty, as you can see. I didn't show you this, but I got a helmet and Hans device. Pretty cool. I'm a proper racer, you see. I even have this, I can close. I don't know why you would want to bolt it shut, especially seeing as how hot it is in these cars. I don't know why you would want that, but anyway, that's what I got. That's my setup. Oh, the car is back. So yeah, hopefully I improve my lap time. I will let you know. And yeah, see you in a bit. My god, this is a big lunch I had. I mean, I didn't try to not eat too much. That would make me heavier. That's not what we want. We want the lightest possible driver. You know, I just weigh 100 kilograms, so it's not that bad. One of the heaviest. Okay, so I'm back home now. I'm just giving you some context at the end of the video, like I always do. So, driving a race car, that was one heck of an experience. I never thought I would get to do something like this. It was better than driving my MX-5 on track because these race cars, like you can just go on track and do like 10-20 laps without stopping. It's really fun, like, and the car is consistent all the way through. There's no change whatsoever, like you can keep the same pace every lap. That's really cool, and also it doesn't break. The rod bearings don't explode, stuff like that. So race cars are pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, I was doing this test day because I wanted to prove to myself and a racing team that I can be safe with a race car, and I think I proved that. I was pretty safe, pretty consistent. My pace even wasn't too far off their actual driver, so if I do race, I'm gonna be mid-pack or something like that, which is, I think, respectable for my first time anyway. But yeah, and I'm planning on racing it. In 3 months or something, there will be a race at Oulton Park, and hopefully, if everything goes to plan, I should be attending as a driver. And obviously, I will be taking you along because, that's a pretty big deal for me. Because I always wanted to be a race car driver, but I always thought it was impossible because it's too expensive, and and also I live in Switzerland, which does not have anything like circuit racing. You just can't do it here, so I have to go abroad. But whatever. I found a way to do it, and I think documenting this video can also be useful for people that want to also get into racing, because it shows that it's not impossible, even though I know it's expensive. But I will be doing a cost breakdown once I finally get my first race done, and then you'll see if it's too expensive for you or not. But yeah, I don't know. Racing is is a weird thing to get into, right? You gotta pay to get the privilege to pay more, essentially. It's like you do the test day, can you be good enough, then you can pay more for the race. Yeah. Anyway, subscribe if you don't want to miss my next uploads, which will include my first race and maybe some sim stuff. I don't know yet, but I have some video ideas. Maybe I will do some stuff in the meantime, because my channel is a bit inconsistent when it comes to upload, I know. But yeah, I'll try to remedy that. I can't promise anything, but I will try. And leave a like in the video if you liked it. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.